Today we'll talk about how can you disable market updates notifications on your Robinhood app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list, click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list, just click here on push notifications here. Then you just scrolling down here. So you scrolling down here until you will find here market updates, just click on it. You will find here market updates, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean market updates notifications disabled with us now. That's all, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.